And oh my God guys, sobrang kinakabahan ako kasi first time ko nga mag-prank dito sa channel natin. Nagkabagood na kami guys. Ayan yung iPad ni Paris. Buti na lang si Paris yung nag-carry ng regalo niya para sa kanyang Uncle Ron. I'm very excited. Are you excited, Nak? Good afternoon, welcome back sa ating channel. It's Monday today and it is Queen's birthday dito sa Melbourne. So wala akong pasok. Kaya ngayon nakikita nyo, naka-aura naman si ate nyo kasi may lakad na naman tayo. We always have lakad, di ba? And ang ating Paris Nicole ay ready na. Oh, show your outfit sa mirror, Nak. So yan yung pa-outfit ni Paris today, guys. Tingnan nyo. Oh, di ba? Bongga! Yes! Wow! Beautiful! And ito yung pa-outfit ni ate nyo today, guys. Ayan. So, alam nyo to guys, kung nanood kayo ng yung ukay-ukay video ko, ito yung nabili ko sa ukay-ukay na jacket. Tapos, sa ilalim ay nag-white lang tayo na top. And ripped jeans. Again, ayan, oh. Ay, saan, Nak? Saan na magpakita pa si Mama, Nak?
What are Daddy's outfit?
Yeah. And, ayan, yung mules natin, guys, na pink. Napili kong pink, guys, kasi yung bag na susuotin ko now is pink. Para, ganyan siya, oh. Oh, diba? Oh, bagay-bagay lang yan siya, guys. And Paris, Nak, are you ready? Pupunta pala kami ngayon sa bahay ng aking bestie, guys. Kasi nag-birthday siya nung 31st of May. Tapos nga, diba, hindi kami nakapag-celebrate kasi nga sa COVID situation ngayon. Kaya ngayon ay pupunta kami kasi parehas kaming walang trabaho. So, ayan. And you know, guys, you know what's more exciting sa video natin today? Kasi first time kong magpa-prank dito sa channel natin. So, wish me luck, guys. Na magiging successful ang ating prank for today. Hala, ang ating bata ay saba kaayo ay. You okay? So, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung prank natin for my bestie Ron today, guys. So, my bestie Ron is really into brands, designers, and everything. So, ito yung dadalhin ko dun, guys. Ayan, so meron akong box tsaka paper bag. Pero, tingnan nyo ang laman. Nothing. Tapos, yung nakalagay lang dito, guys, is itong note na 60-minute body massage and 15-minute foot or head massage. Ayan, sabi ko from Gucci. Love you long time. So, yan yung ilalagay ko, guys. Kasi yung binili ko para sa kanya is voucher. Pero, online ko lang kasi binili. So, I don't have something with me. So, yan lang binigay ko, guys. Tapos, yung voucher pala is i-email lang sa kanyang email tomorrow. So, tomorrow ko na sinet na isend sa kanya para ngayon ay ma-prank natin siya. Ayan. So, good to go. And oh my God, guys, sobrang kinakabahan ako kasi first time ko nga mag-prank dito sa channel natin. And yesterday, sinabihan ko si Mike sa plano ko na ito nga, ipaprank ko nga yung best friend ko. Sabi ni Mike, it's not a good idea daw kasi daw baka ang tawag ito, baka ma-disappoint daw si Ron. Kasi nga, di ba, pag nakita mong Gucci yung paper bag and tapos wala palang laman. But I thought, di ba, kasi best friend ko si Ron, guys, and I think of all the people na pwede kong i-prank, I think si Ron yung magiging sport sa akin. Hopefully, magiging best friend pa kami after nitong prank na to, guys. But, yeah, nakakatakot pa rin siya kasi I'm not sure kung ano yung magiging reaction. And, kasi nga sinabihan ako ni Mike na wag nga daw kasi nga daw baka hindi daw maganda yung yung mafe-feel ng best friend ko. But, my best friend knows me and, I think we know each other pretty well. So, happy lang to, guys. So, we'll see how it goes. And, ngayon ay ready na kaming lahat. So, hindi pala kaming lahat. Si Mike ay maiiwan dito kasi kami lang ni Paris ang pupunta. Because Mike is working today, guys. May trabaho si daddy natin. Kami lang ni Paris yung aalis. And, yeah, we gotta make a move kasi medyo late na siya. And, lunch yung sabot namin. Hindi ko talaga alam yung Tagalog ng sabot, guys. Sabot. The other day din, yung vlog ko, sabi ko din sabot. Ewan ko guys, kung anong Tagalog ng sabot guys, let me know. Comment section below guys, kasi sobrang bugo ng atin yung sa Tagalog guys. We'll see you guys when we get there. Bye! So ayun guys, si Mike guys, oh, wait, ayan. So maiiwan si Daddy. Daddy, we're going. Enjoy.
Where's my baby?
Baby, come on na honey. Oy, say bye-bye Daddy.
Paris, come here. Say bye-bye, Daddy.
Bye-bye Daddy, because we're going.
Come give me a cuddle.
Give Daddy a cuddle. Give Daddy a kiss.
Bye-bye, sweetheart. Kiss. Love you. Love you. Say I love you, Daddy.
Say I love you Daddy.
Watch. Watch this, mama.
Wait, careful. Ay.
And she doesn't even tell me. She doesn't-
Come on, let's go.
Say my beautiful girl.
Bye Daddy. Come on na.
Like this.
It's too bright man. Wait, come on, are you okay?
Stuck.
Stuck? Okay. I'ma hold you. Hold you. Okay. Come. Agpas na. Ito na ko. Bye-bye. Good girl. Look. Go to the car na. Sobrang ganda ng araw, guys. It's very sunny. Ayan, oh. Tapos hindi siya masyadong maginaw. Ang ating gift. Oh my God. Kinukuba-kubahan ang aking dugan. Oh, careful, anak. Are you okay? You okay? Mama will open the car na. Day, ti, okay na anang parking diri sa atbang?
Yeah, of course, yeah. I think because it's...
Na may nakabutang nga kuan. 2 hours from 9 to 4:30, ano? So you just have to
No, I
move the
think,
car?
I think public holiday is fine.
It's fine? Ma-fine ko. Ma-fine ko ba yet?
Okay, geez, trust me. Public holiday.
Okay.
Public holiday. Google it now.
Isend gina ko sa imong fine.
I'll send you the receipt.
Alright, see you soon, T. Tiya.
Ikaw lang.
Ako ra, Paris, bilin si Paris sa kinan.
Oh, yeko. Ano ba ang basura? Ano dira? 14. Me is a mean.
You're so meaning.
Yeah.
Alright, see you soon. So, ayan guys. Nag-usap na kami ni Bestie. And okay daw na mag-park dito sa... Ilalabas ko na si Paris kasi mami up na siya, oh. And guys, I'm very scared sa ating prank. Ewan ko. I don't know if I can do it. But baka matawa ako before mangyari yung prank. But anyways, we'll see you soon guys. Guys, nagkabagood na kami guys. Ayan yung iPad ni Paris. Buti na lang si Paris yung nag-carry ng regalo niya para sa kanyang Uncle Ron. I'm very, very excited. Are you excited, Nak? Nak? Excited ka na? Yung suot pala ni Paris na top, guys, oh. From ukay-ukay yan siya. Yan yung binili namin kasama nitong jacket ni Mommy, ba? Oh. Say hi sa Nak, babe. Hi, friends. Dito kami, guys. So, ayan, guys. O, tuplokin natin, Nak. Para magawa sa... Bongga ka na yung Uncle Ron. Hi, guys. Dito kami sa elevator.
Ow!
Yes, I think we're going there now. Oh, level 6 yata tayo, Nak.
Let's go up and down.
Ayaw. Ayan.
Open the door.
Lock on the door. Where's Uncle Ron? It's so warm in here. So warm. Hi, happy birthday. Hi, how are you? Uncle Ron, Nak, your gift. Gift, Uncle Ron. Say happy birthday.
Hot?
Karo?
Karo!
Look guys, we've got chicken nuggets.
Di mo natin yun no fish.
Naghadlok siya niron guys sa fish nga naglihok-lihok.
Di mo natin yun no fish.
She got scared. Have a look at the view guys. Oh my god. I'm scared though. Nakakatakot kasi dito guys. My fear of heights kasi ako. Ayan oh. Kasi feel ko ba lalo na kasi very malinis ang kanilang window. Feel ko clear lang siya. It's crazy.
Don't, I'll kill you.
Guys, have a look. It's beautiful in here. Ha? Anak. Lao. Like na like ni Paris yung window. Nak, do you wanna live here, Nak?
No, it's okay.
Huh?
Hi, baby.
Bye-bye, baby.
Hi, baby.
Hello, baby Paris. Come on. Come on.
Hi,
Let's go eat na. Do you want this, Nak? Have a drink. Sparkling water. Do you want chicken nugget?
Want me to? We don't know the baby chair or
Huh?
child, whatever.
Iko. Kamu mag-adjust?
Car?
No, guys, I've got a beautiful home. We'll do we'll do a house tour later. Chicken. You
Yeah.
yeah, you eat the chicken.
I'm eating some.
Go eat.
What's this? Rice is life.
She's dog.
What's this?
Tocino. Hey, ma poi come dito yung spring roll.
Nak, you eat my nak.
Is all rice tea?
Up, 1, 2, 3.
Rice with what?
Oh, rice tea. She'll eat rice.
Rice tea nugget. So pillow.
Filipino ba siya? Filipino blood. Maniod to taninyo. Ayan. Meron kaming utan.
Utan Bisaya.
Utan in Tagalog, otin.
What is this is utan and that's like utin.
Oh God. Ayan, meron kaming fish. Hindi na namin initin na tapos may tocino pa. Ang sarap-sarap. May pandesal. Anak, ha?
Lumpia, ako lumpia.
Huy, enough na uy. Ginoo ko, that's a lot of food. Carried away si Koy. Si ate. Oh, careful, anak. Careful ba ikaw? Saka, baby. Paris will eat all that kuan.
This is all yours.
Chicken nugget.
Do you want one or you want 10 or more? Which one do you want? Yes?
Look.
Shit, you got this.
Very indecisive. Yeah, okay, honey. Yeah, okay, you can have. Yes. Na, uy. You gonna eat na, anak. You eat na, ha?
No.
La, mommy will eat here, oh. You want rice? Do you want rice? Ha? So, hi guys, nandito kami ngayon sa isang room nila. Very maganda dito guys. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung dito mamaya. Pero, i-ano na natin, i-unbox na natin yung gift natin para kay Ron!
Ikaw unbox?
Ang mahal-mahal. Para sa'yo gani.
Come back.
Come on, i-unbox natin here. Pwede di dalon?
Yeah.
Here. So, unbox. So, guys, this is my bestie, Ron. Ayan. I think nakita nyo naman siya before sa mga vlogs natin. No, Tagalog ako ngayon. Kasi, ha? Parehas na big belt. Okay, so let's open it. Do you have a guess what's inside?
No, it's never roll. Can't understand.
No, I mean like what's inside.
No, crap, what is
No?
this?
Okay.
So, it comes in a block box. Understand?
Look, good. Wait.
Block one, understand? Okay.
So what's inside?
What? What is this?
It's a prank!
Mommy!
A 6-minute body massage, 15-minute foot and head job. Kidding. What? 15-minute foot and head job. Mean head massage. For Gucci. Love you long time, Rick.
Wait, I did buy you a voucher, Jude. Nah, I bought you a voucher for a
You
massage.
don't have to.
Huh?
You don't have to.
No. Did I disappoint you?
No.
Honey, yes. Be true. Be true. Come
would
here,
not-
me.
Who would not get disappointed when you get Gucci? I got Gucci.
Success ang ating prank. Sabi ko sa kanila, kaya sabi ko, it's first time na mag-prank tayo sa channel ko. And my best friend is really
Me?
too. Yes. And I told them that Mike told me not to do it because you might get angry with me, like if I do
No,
it. And it's
what?
like,
Never.
yeah, if, of all the people that I know that I could prank, I
Yeah,
think
totally.
Ron will still love me.
Oh my gosh,
You're fine, dude.
do another Gucci. But okay, great. Great. Alright.
So ayan guys, na successful ang ating prank.
Can I have a look like
And
before
we're
we post
still,
it?
and we're still
I hope,
friends. Are we still friends?
I hope it wasn't bitchy in the video. Can you just edit it?
No, there's no editing. There's no editing allowed.
Yeah, we got Gucci.
But I did
Gucci,
buy you
yeah.
like I just you
You
know
don't
you
know.
will forgive me for getting
Thank
you.
you. If whatever that means.
No, I got the email to send to you. I set it for tomorrow because like para dili mo madawat karon. So I can do this prank. I was so scared, T. I was like,
Why?
am I going to disappoint him? Because I know that you love all these.
I would never.
OYSL.
I would never get angry. I was like,
That's why like Mike told me like, nah babe, if it's me, I'm not gonna do it.
yeah. No, like,
And I said like, I think of all the people that I know, nga pwede na ako mag-prank. I think Ron will still love me after the prank.
so that's,
So yeah, guys, I'm very
that's
happy.
how you measure a friendship.
But did you really?
Gucci or no Gucci? Bye. Gucci.
Did you really think that I'll give you Gucci? If I could, like, if
Yes.
I
I'm like, did you get me a Gucci?
if we have money, if don't skip ads, so I'll have money, so I can buy him.
Never,
real
don't.
Gucci.
Yes. We want the real Gucci. Don't skip ads.
Hindi lang bucks. But that's it. Oy, like I feel better now.
Did you really?
Yes, I was
Why?
so scared. I was
Why?
like, I don't know, because obviously I don't want to disappoint you. I want you to be happy. And then like, here's me coming in with a Gucci bag, and I said like, it already set your expectation.
No.
It's like, yes, you're not gonna have Gucci.
Because I was like, where? I'm like,
Did you think like it's very light?
I'm like,
There's
yeah, well,
nothing in
where? I'm like, did you give me a Gucci like hanky or something? is
Gucci brief.
it hanky or what is it?
Oh my lord.
But yes, success like Gucci, no Gucci.
I was like, I want to see your reaction later.
Like, can you edit it first? I don't want people to say that I'm mean. I'm a good person. I look bitchy, but I'm a good person.
Yeah, that's what I said. Like, I think, because I don't know if I could do the prank to Mike.
Oh, really?
I don't know, like, I'm thinking about doing it. But I was not kidding, I was in my But guys, we had a nice lunch together.
Yes. I like them great.
Yeah. No, lighting is great. It's very nice here, team.
Pang YouTube lagi na
Pang YouTube, di ba yun?
Mukbang.
Ay. Ang sama, ay mag...
Bakit ako
Is
sleeping? Over na na.
Super na siya, te.
Paris, come. Shit, wake up. Ano? This is, love the content. This is how you make thumbnail.
Yeah, I know. Like, sa ako kay... Gako
We're
na
not
ba
YouTube,
ti ay?
you know, like,
Go. Hindi na makita ang Gucci. Move here, you can see. Okay.
Gay!
Lagyan sa natin, oh. Wala ko nag-sauce ba yan? Wala sa mamukin. Hi again, guys! So, alas 8 na siya ng gabi. And, kanina pa pala kami nakauwi ni Paris. But, since hindi kami nakapag-spend ng time kanina with Daddy, so, naglaro-laro kami. Tapos, nag-dinner kami before ako nakapag-vlog ulit. Teka muna, guys. Oh, kasi ang aking bata ay nandito, eh. Say hi sa anak, quickly, be. Hi! Okay. Wala sumod si ate kasi may sipon siya, guys. Pero yun na nga, guys, I'm very happy na successful yung ating prank for today. I just want to say thank you pala sa aking bestie for being so sport. Sabi ko nga earlier na natatakot talaga ako na mag-prank kasi ayokong ano ba yung relationship. But I know with my bestie naman, I know that he's okay with it and it's just for fun. And alam ko na he will still love me after sa ginawa ko sa kanya. So, I love you so much, bestie. And happy birthday to you. Sana ma-enjoy mo yung nabili kong massage. Massage lang pala from Gucci. Paris and I had a great day today, honey. Didn't we? Didn't we, honey? Sobrang na-enjoy si Paris dun sa cat nila. And while nandun ako, guys, gumawa na rin kami ng isang apartment tour ulit. So, stay tuned for that one, guys, kasi i-upload ko yun very soon. So, makikita nyo yung bahay ng aking best friend. And for now, guys, i-end ko na yung vlog natin kasi medyo mahaba-haba na siya. And I have to put Paris to bed na kasi may childcare siya bukas, Tuesday. Hopefully, she won't fall sick kasi nga may sipon siya ba. So, hopefully, okay lang siya tonight. I-observe ko lang siya. Yes. I-observe ko lang siya, guys. Kasi pag hindi maganda yung... Wala! What happened to your face? Pag hindi maganda yung pakiramdam niya, guys, hindi ko siya papupuntahin sa childcare. Guys, gusto ko lang i-welcome ang ating mga bagong subscribers. Nakita ko na naman na tumataas na naman yung sub count natin. So, thank you very much. Welcome dito sa ating channel. And sana ma-enjoy niyo yung mga vlogs natin. Mommy up na ang aking baby is mommy up. Tingnan nyo, guys. Oh, show your face, babe. Hala, bulingit.
No.
Go. Magsha-shoutout na tayo, guys. And we'll start with Hazel Guilin. And sabi niya, pa-shoutout po sis Ferrari and baby Jacob. Love you, baby Paris. Love you din sa inyo from Paris. Shout out to Almeida's Vlog. Shout out to Cactus PH, GC Math and Zumba, Lipstick Mama Vlog, Diana J. Bravo, Laarni TV, Lizelle Iga, Rosario Sabalye, shout out, Pinay Afam Travels, Sofia Mangilin, oh bless you anak. Shout out to Abigail Ginto, Charis Mirabete, Richard Antiga, Donna Ladera, Gwen Tumambak, Jada Sabre, Joanne Ambe, Divina Olpindo, Pearl Jane Munoz, Lohan Pasadas, Marilyn Drudge, Warren Valerio, Agent 47, Love Sophia, Gwen Christensen, hello, Filipina-British couple, Ginia Dular, Rosemary Romoir, Junray Gikan, Angina Gikan, hello sa inyo diha, Maribel Patiag, Red Sibial, Criza May Fernandez Baguna, and Wonder Pinay. So again guys, sana na-enjoy nyo yung vlog natin for today. Hindi naman kayo masyadong na-bored. As always, appreciate ko kayong lahat. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And I hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't, be careful. Bye!